Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today we'll be learning how to import data into Excel from text. That's the extension is TXT. Now we have four ways of doing it, and those four ways I'll be showing you how to achieve it. Imagine you're given a large data set to work on, and you have a limited time. You don't need to start typing, just import it from wherever and then you're good to go. You can import from web, you can import from Access, you can import CSV and all the rest. So but today we'll be looking at importing from text. So let's dive in quickly on how to achieve it. The firstly, we need to open the Excel, and then you click on open. This is the first way of achieving it. Open, and you go to, for instance, maybe if you're not seeing it here, I saved it on the desktop, so I'll click on desktop, and then you notice that it's not showing. I click on all Excel files, and I click on all files. Now I click on car inventory. Make sure you select the delimited. The next is my data has header. Yes, it does. You can see car ID, make, who, etc. So those are my headers. I'll check the header box. And then next, what is separating it? What is the delimiter? It is comma. So this is what I'm going to select, and then I will check this other box, and I click finish. Now this is one way of achieving this. The second way of achieving this is you click on data, you click on, let's start with from text, and then you select it again. Same dialog box appears. You select my data has header, and you move to the next comma, and then tab, uncheck the tab box. Now you notice here is asking you where do you want to place your data set. Is it existing worksheet or a new worksheet? Now I'm okay with existing worksheet, and also the place, the A1, this is where I want it to be. So you can always change this to fit in wherever you want your data set to appear, and I click OK. This is the second way of achieving it. The third way of achieving it is still data. You click on new query, from then you click on file, and then text. Trying to open it. Okay, so this is the car inventory. We are selecting now. Now the delimiter, as always, is comma, because that's what is separating it. And I've checked everything is okay, captured everything, and I click on transform data. Now this is Power Query section. We'll soon get to Power Query, then you understand how it works. Now everything is fine by me, and I just need, all I need to do is close and load. Then I get my data set here in Microsoft Excel. This is the third way. The next way of doing it, okay, the next way of achieving it, that's the fourth way, is for you to just go to your desktop where you saved your work, or where you saved your work, and just click on the data set, open, and then copy. You paste it on any of the Excel sheets where you want it to appear, and then you click on data again, and then text to column. Now the dialog box shows, and then you select the limited next, and then as usual, this is what is demarcating it, the comma, and then you check the box and uncheck the tab box and finish. This is the fourth way of achieving this. So you can copy from Access, from web, from wherever, and you're good to go. So you don't need to start with this. You save time. While others are still struggling to type, you're already done with this, and you're moving to the next phase of what you intend to do with your data set. I hope this is able to help you as you proceed as a data analyst. Thank you.